Real Estate 101. This is Kenny Baylock reporting live from the streets. I'm out here at one of my properties where I should be done with this one probably within the next 30 days. We had a small break-in last night, and we're getting that together. The main reason why I want to make this video is to tell you guys that the real estate market right now is down. It's really at a downtime, and what I want you guys to be doing is, this is the time to be buying. When there's blood on the streets, it's time to eat. When there's blood on the streets, it's time to eat. I don't want you to feel bad for people who are trying to sell their properties, who are not able to sell their properties, So let me give you an example. You might see a property online for, let's just say, $100,000. Right now, you could probably offer them around $70,000 and they'll take it. $65,000, $70,000 and they'll take it. $70,000 for sure. Everything that you see that's on the market right now, you could offer them at least $30,000 less, $35,000 less, and then they'll take it. The reason why is because properties are not selling. I don't know if it's because of everybody's just broke right now. I saw an article that said that the reason why the housing market is down right now is because Trump sent all the immigrants back, and a lot of those immigrants were buying houses. That is true. A lot of them were buying houses. But I don't know what the real reason behind people not buying houses. I know a recession is coming. I'm making this video March the 12th, 2025. I know it is a recession coming, and right now everybody's money is tight because the prices that went up on everything, and a lot of people really don't have money right now. So people who are selling properties, they're selling their properties at a discount, and you can come in right now and snatch those properties up for even a lower discount. Like I said again, when there's blood on the streets, it's time to eat. Properties have been sitting on the market for 4, 5, 6, 7 months. Sometimes properties have been up there for a year. A lot of the times, this is what I do. Let me give you some sauce. Let me slow down, because I really want you to get this. A lot of the times what I'll do is I'll find a property that I like. Say, for instance, I find a property that I like. Let's just say this one right here. Okay. This is a 2-flat. All right. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to see how long the properties have been. How long has the property been up there for sale? How long has it been for sale? If I see that the property has been sitting up there for 5 months, 6 months, automatically in my mind, I know, okay, this property's been up there for 5 or 6 months. That means the seller is a little bit desperate. And I know that I can come in a little bit lower than what they're offering the property for. Okay? So if they're selling this property for $100,000, the first thing I'm going to do is try to figure out, did they start at $100,000, or was it like a $125,000 and then they dropped it down to $115,000 and then they dropped it down to $100,000? I'm looking for that. That's something that I'm looking at. I'm looking for that. And you can always find those things because it'll show you this is where the property started at, then it came down to this, then it came down to this. So that lets you know right there that they're already been dropping the price. But even if you can't find that kind of information, I can find it because I'm on an MLS. If you're just looking on Zillow or a website like that, or, one of those websites like that, you're probably not going to be able to see that. But if you Google, you'll probably be able to find the information. But even if you can't find the information, it doesn't even matter. Right now, the market is down. And people are sitting on their properties for 5 or 6 months. I have a guy who was inside my property working right now. Not only does he fix up properties for me, but he flips his own properties. He has a property, he's been sitting on a nice property in a nice neighborhood. He fixed it up really, really good. He did a really good job fixing it up. It's been sitting on the market for about 5 months. I have another buddy who I'm really, really close with. He works for CTA, that's Chicago Transit Authority. He does a lot of flipping. He has a really, really nice property. It's been sitting up on the market for 5 or 6 months. A lot of these properties have just been sitting on the market, and right now, it's a great time to swoop in. A recession is coming. Trump came in just signing orders, doing these tariffs. It was already high inflation when Biden left. It's about to be a recession. Right now, it's a time to be out here purchasing, taking advantage of these low prices. If you make a low offer, $30,000 less, $25,000 less, $35,000 less than the asking price, move on to the next property and make an offer on the next property. Because let me tell you something. Because I'm a flipper. I flip houses and I buy houses and I fix them up and I rent them out too. Let me tell you one thing that I know for a fact. If I'm fixing up a property and I'm asking, let's just say $300,000 for that property, and I've been sitting on that property for 6 months, and somebody comes and says, hey, I can't give you 300, bro, but I got 260. I'm taking it. If they come say, hey, I got 270, 275, that's $25,000, $30,000 less than what I wanted. I'm going to cry and I'm going to complain and I'm going to try to go back and forth. But at the end of the day, I'm taking that. Because I'm probably still gonna make a huge profit for the profit off the property. I'm still gonna make over $100,000. I'm just not gonna make all the money that I wanted to make. But at least I got rid of that property. I don't have to worry about the carrying costs to carry that property every month, the insurance, the mortgage payments on that property anymore. And I got me a big chunk of money sitting in my lap. I can either take that money, go buy me another property, or I can just sit on it until things clear up, until the housing market gets a little bit better. So, $30,000 less, $35,000 less than what they're asking, and I think that's your best bet. That's really your best bet, and take advantage of the down housing market, because that's where millionaires are made. Like, subscribe to this video. Normally my videos are in South of houses getting warm out. I'm going to be in the streets a whole lot more, in the field, messing around with my properties. Click the link in this bio. And I want you to it's a link in the bio that shows you how to get articles of incorporation, tax ID number, and get your business bank account. I want you to click that and take advantage of that. It's a free PDF. I want you to take advantage of that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like, subscribe. See you guys on the next video. I have a course dropping soon, and I'm really, really hoping that goes well. I have a lot of information. I've been doing real estate for over 20 years, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace. Bye.